Hello, this is Corum coming to another video, Genshin Impact. We are on America. What are we doing? We're doing the whatever this stupid dungeon is. What is this stupid dungeon? It's oh man, I'm getting my ass beat. Oh shit, just run right into that, bro. You're good. Yeah, just die. Just die, Diluc. You suck. Alright, there we go. Got you on. Do I have the shield? Nope, I lost the shield. Okay, just get my ass kicked here. Don't worry about it. We're good. It's all good. All good in the hood. Alrighty. Come on, Kirara. Alright, we got our shield. We got that. Get to Diluc. Fire. There we go. Finally. Oh my god. Jeepers creepers. Where'd you get those peepers, bro? This shit's horrible. Oh god, come on, Diluc. Piece of... Send him a flying cook. There we go. Burn him. Burn him. Yeah, so we're doing this dungeon. We're trying to get our Ayaka, who I love. I love my Ayaka. We're trying to get her up. Let's just beat this guy. Trying to get her some pieces. I noticed that her stuff kind of sucks, so hopefully we get some good pieces here. It's also with Fontaine coming up. We're going to be trying to get some water pieces. I think there's going to be a lot more since it's the water Archon. Maybe we'll need water pieces, so worst case scenario, that's pretty good. That's a potential piece. And this is not a potential piece. So I figured I'd do that. I'm kind of bored of trying to get Kirara. My Kirara, let's check her out. Let's see how we did on her. Is she that bad? How bad is Kirara? So let's check her. My Sands could have been a little better. It's not too bad. It's HP. Got some crit damage on there. Attack. For her is good because it helps her her ultimate and everything and her damage potential. Got HP circlet with some energy recharge. Some crit on there again, but it's crit damage, which kind of sucks. You want crit rate on her if you're going to do that just for her proccing of her sword. So we got a fast thing here. It's not too bad. Hit HP. Crit, elemental mastery, not too bad, not too shabby. We got our attack plume with some HP on there, another crit, but it hit defense at least once. Ugh. Then we got a pretty good flower here with HP on it, crit. That's some elemental mastery. It's not too shabby either. But altogether, she's only at 45 HP, but 90, so that could have been better. I'd like to have gotten at least her to 50 or 60 crit. So it kind of sucks that some of my pieces have crit damage on them instead of crit rate, which we kind of want. Oh no, why am I doing that? I like this new little switch key. It's kind of cool. If you can remember to do it, since it's new. They love doing that. Get out of the way! Let's get them. Burn them. Virgin on them or whatever. Virgin on them. Oh damn! God, stop getting your ass. Okay, get out of there. All right, here we go. Kurata. There we go. Boom. Did it get him? Yeah, we got him. We got a red thing here somewhere. Let's head over there. Get that. Flaming blade. Alright, here we go. Get that expanded. Suck him up. Virgin in his ass. There we go. Virgin. Yeah, there we go. Not too bad. How'd we do on this one? Oh, That's horrible. Well, I did stop and do a little bit of thing. Like I said, I wish they would give you 2 times, like, since start, how long you've been in the dungeon's kind of dumb, since you can just start it at any time. Oh, should be once you click the thing. Here we go. Horrible. Energy recharge. Horrible. Any of these good? Yeah. There we go. Attack. Nope. And I kind of messed up. I thought the new people that invented the collectible card game were going to be the new characters with the top hat and everything, but it turns out no. I just finished the storyline on the other one. It was just some random dipshit guy from the academy or whatever. His dead friend. Well, I guess it was kind of a heart-touching, but it was kind of dumb. Okay, I'm sorry. It's kind of stupid. His friend dying in the hospital. It's kinda. But you're probably saying, oh, but it was so emotional for me. It was emotional. His poor friend. He's like, I can't play anymore. Every time I play, it reminds me of you. Alright, we got him in time. Good. He was like, I'm gonna put my shield back on. I'm like, Flaming Coke says otherwise. These guys can't handle the flaming. Here we go. Speaking of that, here we go. Flaming. Oh man, it flew off. Didn't even fly off and hit him. Alright, there we go. Wow. Damn. That vape damage. That vape damage. Good stuff. Here we go. I need to get a better two-handed sword. I don't have any two-handed sword, golden two-handed swords. I don't think I do anyway. Let me check. Oh, that's horrible. Oh, come on. That's even worse. Yeah, I don't think I have any good two-handed swords. Let's go check it out. Boom. Weapons, baby. Weapons. I got the bow. I rolled for that one. I rolled for this one. I rolled for this one. Don't ask me why I accidentally got this one. Oh, I did get a two-handed sword. I got this one. The Wolf's Gravestone. That's just a attack stat stick, though. Increases attack by 20%. On hit against opponents with less than 30%, increases all party members' attack by 40%. I wonder if I should put that on him. It's supposed to be his thing, right? The Wolf's Gravestone? Or, well, I guess it was the Wolf's Gravestone would probably work best on What's-His-Nuts, but... I needed the crit. I did it all for the crits. The crits. The crits. I did it all for the crits. Alright, here we go. Flaming cock-a-doodle-doo. Oh, come on, man. Stop putting these things around me. Alright, here we go. Give me this. Give me that. Alright, I don't know. Maybe he had the buff or something. Alright, there we go. Get that shield on. My dog is looking at me. My dog is looking at me. I don't know what you want from me. Alright, here we go. Yeah, we keep hoping we get something good, but Elemental Master, I don't think I'm going to need that. We're going to go one last time, baby. Is there anything exciting going on? Oh, she's so cool. I'm trying to decide if I actually want to roll for her more for her, because like, do I even got her at C1? Did I even? How'd I do on her? I did not. So C1, every max HP, she gets more cat's balls or whatever. Yeah, see, She gets more stuff. She shares her shield. That's just damage. Oh, that's cool. All party members will gain 12% all elemental damage bonus within after it uses her. Oh, wow. So that's kind of cool. 12% damage bonus to elemental damage. To all skills or bursts. That's sick. So we got to get her that, but it's like, who do I want to get it on? Do I want to go... What's this do? When this part scores a 25% pyro damage bonus. Damn. 25% damage bonus is sick. So I guess I could go roll for her. I'm going to check the next banner. Once the next banner comes out, then I'll decide. I think that's the smart thing to do. It's like, see what's coming. Then if nothing exciting in the next banner, I'm going to just roll on this one. I'm really hoping they start showing off some new characters. It's getting kind of boring here. Everyone's playing Honkai Impact. I'm like, I don't like that game. It's like shit. I do not like what Honkai Impact looks like. Yeah, thanks. Just to go attack a stupid fucking ball or ice, whatever the fuck that was. Alright, here we go. Yeah, stagger his ass. Stagger, stagger, stagger. What was causing him to get normal damaged? Alright, what is this? Oh, that's horrible. $50, steam it. Oh. There we go. He did. Oh, was I hitting him with getting healed? Is that why? That went a little long. Long in the tooth. Oh, that was our last run. I would have fucking flaming. Oh well. Here's where we go. But yeah, Honkai Impact just looks like some like 90s shit. Like I was playing freaking Final Fantasy 3 or whatever. Just upgraded stuff. Attack. That's it's a water one. I don't even care about that. We did get one decent piece. Let's go check our stuff. My dog keeps looking at me like she wants something. She's like, I'm like, go. I'll get you in a second. You're fine. It's not freezing out there. It's not freezing outside. You're good. Alright, let's see what this is. Crit damage, energy recharge, crit rate. See, that's why I did this. I want her energy recharge to be up pretty high because I love her. What's her ultimate? What's it? Skill attributes. Yeah, its energy cost is 80, so I need to get her energy recharge bad. Because I love this skill. This is the bomb. Just shreds everything. And then to get her with her and Kokomi together, dropping bombs. Great. Ugh, let's get this crappy guy off the screen here. What do we got to do? We had a feather. No energy recharge, though. See, this has energy recharge. That has a lot of energy recharge. That has a lot of energy recharge. Damn, I got a lot. Never mind. I'm not going to be farming for her anymore because all my stuff has got great energy. Like, look at this. Energy recharge, 188. Yeah. I'm just going to leave it alone. 200 crit damage, 50 crit rate, plus her stuff. She's good. After this, no more farming for this. This was the last day. We got jacked. We didn't get anything good. I'm no longer farming for her. Ugh, why am I on this ugly bastard? Alright, there we go. Here we go. So we're looking at the blizzard. Baby, party till I die. Oh, man. What is with all these crap pappies? Alrighty. So we got a defense, energy. Yeah, that just looks so good. Like 2 into 2, 1, 1. Yeah, looks good. I don't got any of these. None of these have energy recharge. This one does. We'll try this one. Let's see how it does. We will check it out. Will it survive? Will it die on the vine? We will not know until we try. Here we go. No. It is horrible. Ugh. Defense, defense. Alright, we're going to try this. No. What was it? This one? No. Was it this one? Yes. This one's got the 3.9. We're going to try this out. We're going to throw that plus fiber in there. There you go. All for you. All for one. One for me. No. That hit horrible. Alright, we're going to try you now. Come on, baby. Give me what I want. You know what I want. You got what I need. This artifact says it's got my stats. It keeps defense in me. You got what I need. I need that deep. Ugh. I'm not even gonna bother with these stats. They're horrible. I guess I got to. I got no other ice. This is the only Blizzard Strayer flower I have? Okay. Just in case I get another ice character or need to get some ice down. Let's go with the attack. 3.5. You can do it, baby. You can do it. I believe in you. I believe in you. Whoa. Oh, God. Why me? Defense. Defense. I don't like defense. I'm offense. I'm also offended. Jeepers. Alright, so this is dead. We are officially dead. Yes, there is nothing here. Nothing that beats this energy recharge. Nothing that beats this energy recharge. Nope. Yep. Alrighty. We tried. We tried so hard. And got so far. Oh wow, what is this? Healing bonus helmet? HP helmet? I don't know why. Alright. It's weird stuff, baby. HP goblet with HP? That's not bad, I guess. What's this stupid crap? Ugh, that is horrible. Why would I even... It must have been one of my first pieces. See, I don't have... That's crazy. I don't have anything good here. For a water character? What about, what about Waterboy? Where's his shit? What do I have on him? I have that on him? What? Does that even count towards his... Oh, whatever. I guess so. Thank you for watching. We'll be back after these messages. Hit that like and subscribe. Oh, let's get off this ugly bastard. There we go. Oh.